Hey guys, welcome back to the print house. Doing a video on the HP Latex today. I got a few messages lately over the past couple months that I'm not showing the HP Latex much love. And to be honest with you, the reason you don't see a lot of content recently is because it is what it is. It's perfect. The machine doesn't give any errors. I love it. It prints fast banners. So that's why you haven't seen much content on it. The only issue I've had, guys, this is after 2 years. The only issue I've had is the one print head because I ran the magenta really low, and then I had replaced the magenta print head, the regular, and it was warranted, so they replaced it, sent me one like second day, and that was it. Other than that, guys, you know, after 2 years now of owning this thing, 2 years, a couple months, whatever, it's going strong. This is HP Latex 115. I love it. I couldn't live without this thing. You know, I print all my banners on it. So, yeah, that's why you haven't seen much content on it, because, you know, this printer's a workhorse. It does, you know, everything I need it to do. And it doesn't give me any hassles. So, you know, that's why you haven't seen much of it. So, if there's any specific questions that you guys have regarding it, let me know. Other than the normal ink replacements, there's barely any maintenance. What you want to probably do once a week, it wouldn't hurt, to just use like distilled water or something like that to wipe the strip. Don't use alcohol. Do that. Dust it down inside there. Don't use any, you know, sprayed oils or anything like that. Just you know, distilled water on a damp cloth or something like that. Wiping it down inside the rollers. You know, all like the pinch rollers, and then underneath the pinch rollers, the platen where all the air vacuum is, wipe those down. Other than that, guys, it's a great machine. I said it from day one. Why spend more money on a more expensive one if you're just doing banners? You know, it's not really worth it. The ink cost is not that much difference. You're just paying for your ink up front with the 315. I haven't seen many of these guys with videos with 315s that aren't doing anything different than I'm doing. The continuous run, if you run the same media and settings, there's no delays between prints if you know how to set it up. Other than that, it's, you know, it's paid for itself, guys. This machine is just printing money every time I use it. It paid for itself right away. So if you're in a position to buy one, lease one, whatever, you know, as long as you can sell, you'll be fine. This machine is so great. So, but that's it, guys. That's why I haven't done much content on it. So it's the end of November, and I figured, you know what? Let me just kind of do a quick video telling people why you haven't seen much HP Latex content. It's just because, you know, I don't want to bore everybody with the same old stuff all the time, and I know I haven't done much lately, anyways. But yeah, it's still going strong. Over 2 years I've had it for now, as you guys see in the channel, and it's never ceased to amaze me. It's just bulletproof, guys. As long as you just change your inks, don't run your inks too low. I won't go under 10% anymore for that reason with the print head. And you know, being 20 is still doing good too. Anyways, that's it, guys. My 2-year update on my HP Latex 115. If you're still in the market for one of these, 115, 315, 365, whatever. Great machines, guys. Great machines to pump out fast, profiled banners, stuff like that. So, all right, cool. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, hit that notification, and happy Thanksgiving, everybody. On to Christmas. See you in the next one.